Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to talking about like how you can cancel your first finance credit card. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you that if you want to cancel your first finance credit card, then you need to contact with the customer support team, because there is only one method to cancel your credit card, that is via calling method. So make sure you need to keep in mind something like before cancellation you need to clear your all balances, and if you have any kind of balance in your card then you can withdraw, and if you have any kind of rewards then you can get your all the rewards. If you all the complete, then you can call on their customer service team, and the customer service team number is, as you can see on your number on your screen. So this is the customer service team number, and once you dial this number, so you can see, now you can see your number very clearly. So this is the number. When you dial this number, it will connect it with the customer support team. You can ask any questions and they will guide you each and every information related to your credit card, and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will guide you each and every information, and they can cancel your credit card within a 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so this is a method by which you can cancel your first bank credit card. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, we can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.